Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and today we're going to be showing you how to create these adorable custom party favors mini gummy bear wrappers using Canva.
These are perfect for any event. And with Valentine's Day just around the corner, we'll also show you how to tailor these favors for the kiddos' classroom exchanges. So let's dive right in. Let's gather our supplies. You'll need 0.4-ounce mini gummy candy bags, glossy photo paper or your choice of copy paper, scissors or a paper trimmer, double-sided tape or hot glue. Optional, a paper crimper and pinking zigzag scissors.
First things first, head on over to canva.com and either log in or create a new account for free. It's super easy. Click the link in the description below to create a free account if you don't already have one.
After logging in, select Custom Size. Set the page size to 8.5 by 11 inches and click Create New Design. Next, go to Elements and select the square shape from the Lines and Shapes section. Add it to your page and use the measurements given in the video to create the label. To add images, simply search Canva's extensive library or upload your own. On the Editor side panel, click the Uploads tab. Next, click on the Upload Files button, then select the files that you want to upload. You can also drag them from your computer folder to the Uploads tab. Once your files are uploaded, you can easily access them by clicking on them from the side panel.
To make your images stand out, you can add an outline by selecting the image, click on Edit Photo, then scroll down to Effects and select Outline. Next, you can customize the color and thickness of the outline.
To add text to your design, go to the Text tab on the left side of the screen. From there, you can add a text box or choose from the heading, subheading, or body options. Canva also provides a variety of pre-designed text font combinations that you can choose from as well. Once you've added a text box to the page, you can edit it by clicking on the text. We do have a ready-to-edit template available for the mini gummy bear labels. We have already pre-designed the labels for you, so you don't have to create them from scratch. This makes it very easy for you to personalize the labels quickly, save them, and print them. The template is available for purchase on our website, and we'll show you how to use it in just a moment.
Next, we're just going to continue personalizing our labels using the Ready to Edit template. We're going to download, print, and assemble. Stay tuned.
Once your design is ready, it's time to save and download it for printing. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Then hit Download and choose the PDF print file format for the best printing quality. You can also flatten the PDF if you want to prevent others from making changes to your design.
We're going to be printing our labels out on glossy photo paper. So before printing, I'm going to go in under my printer settings, and I want to make sure that I select either photo paper or glossy photo paper for my paper type, and I want my print quality to be set to best. And there you have it. We have created custom party favors, mini gummy bear wrappers using Canva. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up to let us know. If you're interested in grabbing the Ready to Edit template, head on over to our website at shop.hangingwiththekiddos.com. The link will also be in the description below.
As a Patreon member, you can download any of our templates and mockups for free as a thank you for your support. Check out our Patreon page for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration.
Thanks so much for watching. Stay creative and see you next time. Bye.